buddy. Just for Sebastian.
When stars are born, they possess a gift or two. One of them is this. They have the power to make a wish come true.
Here you go, buddy. I'm going to tape till my battery runs out.
Do you? Well, I didn't either. Of course, I'm just a cricket. But let me tell you what made me change my mind. You see, the most fantastic, magical things can happen. And it all starts with a wish.
There it goes.
I wish for your freedom.
Wow.
Any wish is possible.
Oh, fireworks for Sebastian.
All it takes is a little courage to set it free. Especially when it comes from the heart.
Not over yet, bud.
boat out of the blue. Fate steps in and sees you through. What do you wish upon the star? Your dreams come true.
Oh, see that star?
Sometimes wishes can be granted in the most unexpected ways.
10,000 years to give you such a crick in the neck. Hello, people, up here. We've got some wishes to grant.
Oh, wow. Oh, Sebastian, I wish you were here. Miss you, buddy. Can't wait for you to see this. Look at all the stars on the castle. That's because it's Memorial Day here in the United States.
Uh-oh. Now, don't worry. Just remember, always let your conscience be your guide. Let your conscience be your guide.
Jesus Christ, bring it in.
Let your conscience.
Slave in the magic mirror, come from the farthest space. Through wind and darkness I summon thee. Let me see thy face. At last, wind to find my fate. To cast my spell.
Oops, sorry, bud.
Alas, grant me my wish as well.
Wow. Oh, Sebastian, look at that. It's amazing. Incredible. Whoa.
You know, folks, you gotta be careful what you wish for around here, or you'll get yourself in an awful mess. But just when things look bad, fate steps in to see you through. Well, I'll be. It's the Blue Fairy!
Remember, we must always believe in our wishes, for they are the magic in the world. Now, let's all put our hearts together and make a wish come true.
Oh, I wish you were here.
First star I see tonight. I wish
Love you,
I
buddy.
could, I wish I might. Have the wish I wish tonight. We'll make a wish and do as dreamers do. And all our wishes will come true.
You see, it's just like I told you. Wishes can come true if you believe in them with all your heart. And the best part is, you'll never run out of wishes. They're shining deep down inside of you. Because that, my friends, is where the magic lives.
Wishes, dream a dream. Wishes, set me free. Wishes, trust your heart. Just believe. Just believe. Just believe.
dog just for you. To Sebastian from Sellers. Love you, buddy. See you soon.